Hi, I'm Erik Skala, owner of PuroClean of Natick, the paramedics of property damage. We proudly serve the Boston and Boston Metro West areas. You're probably here because you have either water, fire, or mold related property damage. Or perhaps you may be looking for one of our other services, such as odor control, or carpet, air duct, or tile cleaning. Here's the good news. You came to the right place. PuroClean is committed to help you as quickly and efficiently as possible. We are the paramedics of property damage. What do? In short, we take things that are wet and we make them dry. We take things that are dirty and we make them clean. PuroClean is thoroughly screened, fully insured, and industry certified to remediate residential and commercial property damage. We understand what you are experiencing. We understand how you feel. We know that property damage is a major life disruption and inconvenience. PuroClean is here to help. By using the latest in science, training, equipment, and solutions, along with unmatched customer service, PuroClean will restore your property back to pre-loss conditions the first time. PuroClean has a proven track record of delivering outstanding customer service. Our customers are our family, our neighbors, and our business partners. They are our community. For every situation, we respond with compassion and care. Our number one priority is customer service. I promise to do whatever it takes to respond, restore, and rescue your property. Call us at the number below for help anytime, day or night, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to restore and rescue your property.